Yeah.
That wins, right?
Whenever I got my shiny 98.
I didn't get a background yet. I'm after at least one background. Who else has the shiny Zapdos? Shiny with background. Shiny with background. Come on, shiny with background. Yes. Let's get this.
I'm next to a shiny Rayquaza.
A shiny Rayquaza?
It's right there.
Oh, nice.
Right next to me.
I didn't get one last summer. I've actually wanted one. I've been asking Snow Dragon to trade me one of hers, but you know, she doesn't want it.
Let's give it a silver pineapple.
Oh, it just booted me from the game.
Huh? Why? I missed 2 times.
Oh, my phone glitches.
Get in the ball, you little monkey. Caught it first time.
Me too.
If you could choose a starter, if you could choose any of the 3 starters, what would it be?
Oh, so
A Bulbasaur, a Squirtle, or a Charmander?
Charmander, always.
Oh man, that's how you know you're gonna be a great trainer. Now, for real, anytime you ask somebody which starter, and if they say Charmander, then you know they're gonna be a good trainer.
I just stop Charmander always as my starter. So now can we be
got one with a background.
Do I have to scan your code?
I've already got you as a friend. If you're not,
I can't get him as a friend.
So the next one is
Zapdos at the bottom.
Yeah, there he is.
a Zapdos.
Now we can trade.
There you go.
There we go.
Can you wait until after the one raid until break?
Not last week.
So you're gonna come out now? Like,
Wait, we're doing Articuno or we're doing Zapdos?
He was supposed to be here today.
Zapdos. I don't
talked to him on Sunday.
because
Saturday.
you're gonna Pikachu in the middle. Pikachu in the middle.
Oh, it's not a shiny. Please at least give me a background.
At least just give me a shiny Zapdos. At least. Because I don't have any of the birds shiny yet. Just at least.
We're doing a couple of raids, so you'll probably get a shiny. I got a shiny in my first Zapdos raid, so. Oh, not a background either. Dang. Man.
Are you guys down for Zapdos? Okay.
We'd have to walk down there. Okay.
We stayed on the path. We're good.
Did we already do Articuno though?
Yes.
Yeah.
there's an article.
There's another
That was the second Articuno that we had, huh?
There's 2 Moltres, but there's a Moltres.
Oh no, the contest is at the end after everyone's done raiding.
Because I need it for the decks.
Yeah. Are you in the Articuno? Are you gonna go in the Articuno?
That's where we're at. That's where I'm at right now. If that's where everyone else is
You
going.
want to use your pass and not wait for the Zapdos?
Is that my only pass?
You do have another one, but you also need to save some for tomorrow.
Yeah, you get I think 4 passes for free.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I think you get
Oh, I
4.
missed that. Oh, well, go ahead then. Fill your boots.
Because I think either I can't remember whether I got 2 or 4.
So we kept one.
Which one was it? Snow Dragon.
I don't see any people.
Is it 2 or 4?
There's 5 people in here.
Is it 2 or 4 free passes?
I don't know.
Oh shoot.
That's what I was just saying.
No, it's 4. It is because it's double if you did the
Dog.
if you got the monthly reward.
What is the goal?
Yep. So it's 4. If you're like I think it's level 50 or 75 in the monthly reward, you'll get 4 of them.
You guys do the one where.
What does it do?
Gets you gimmicks.
I
who?
think this.
The gold
I have
one.
close to 10 Gimmigold coins right now.
Oh, that thing. That
Every
thing.
single
You
one
get
of those
more,
I've
right?
spun does
gimme
not give a
goals.
single coin.
I
Really?
have 3 gimme goals.
Not really.
Yeah.
The one from the special research and then 2 you caught, or were they from?
I got the gimme goal
I got
thing,
two.
the gimme
I got
goal
two
coin.
Coin bag.
Yeah, I have
You
still
have
another one
Legend
left.
ZA.
No, I got it from someone who was giving out 3 of them. Free.
Oh, okay.
Someone was giving out
You're in
them
your
for
own little
free.
world.
We went to one of the meetups in Allentown. And
Oh,
someone had
okay.
the Switch there, so
Okay, okay.
So then I got like infinite coin bags. So I got
Yeah.
one coin bag, and then when I
Yeah.
used
She
it,
always
there was
wants me to use
another
her
one.
Switch.
Well, you got a whole coin bag? You're lucky.
Yeah,
I
and
want a
I
coin
still have
bag.
another coin bag. I still have
I don't know
another.
how you do it.
Wait, why is a heat trend right next to me? Why the legendary? Okay, Aerodactyl, let it off. Bow.
Who's got a shiny hound?
Ow. Oh, I see it. It's right across from me.
I love the color. Have you seen the Zagoon, the shiny Zagoon, the glaring one?
Yeah, it's insane.
Yeah, it's got a blue tongue and eyes. That is so cool.
Insane. Get a quick load.
I was touring.
Why are people having so cool Pokemon? Wait, someone has a Zekrom again? Why do so many people keep having Zekrom?
Remember, people have been playing it longer.
I know, but that's
It's been around for 10 years.
Yeah, it really has been that.
now.
Oh, the next season is going to be the 10th anniversary too. So I can guarantee, along with Kalos, they're going to have something pretty big for that.
You would.
It's already been announced the next season. That is also on my YouTube channel, by the way.
I'm literally trying to do it without a berry.
No
What about a
berry.
raspberry?
Brave.
Can a raspberry get this thing?
It's not like you're short of golden masters. You got those.
I just caught it with a one. This thing is so easy to catch. Literally the legend.
Are you perfect? Me too. But he's only 2 stars. He has a nice background.
Ooh, okay.
Oh, he's not a shiny.
What?
So tired.
Hey, Yotakuna?
Yeah, already.
What?
Yeah, he's not shiny. Second ball magic.
Okay, how do I get...
Second ball
This is
magic.
a
Not
trade.
showing up on my thing. What is going on here?
Ooh, that one's not bad. This one's, I think, another 96.
Jamie, wait till the end. Just be patient, okay?
This so
It's
excited.
not showing up on you.
No. Now it is.
Ooh, there's a
Well,
gold
if you want to
thingy.
do it now, it's got 9 minutes left.
Hot dog.
You wanna do Zapdos?
That's Zapdos.
Still gotta follow this route.
What did everyone choose as their
Why?
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 I think I'm gonna go with X.
Why?
Really?
Journeys?
Yes.
Why?
Nah, because I already got him from the Kalos. Remember, you invited me, and we
Oh yeah, the raids from Japan.
right. So I've already got the Yavetals. So I want the Exercius now.
Yeah, like everybody kept inviting me yesterday, and I was like, okay. And then somebody invited me to Mega Dragonite, and I was like, I'm not doing that because I'm not gonna get Mega Energy out of it.
Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. That is gonna be so sick, Mega Dragonite, yo.
You managed
so-
to get it?
I am so hyped for it.
But
That's
I
crazy.
didn't get in any of the raids. When I went in, 20 people filled the
Oh my god, it was insane.
It was
because
so
I guess,
fast for
like,
us too. It was like
in the
5
beginning,
seconds.
There was like a glitch, and there was like 1,000 and something people in the one raid.
Yo, did anyone see from Pokemon Go official that like there was an absurd amount of people in one raid? It was 1,400 plus.
Yeah.
That was their
Which one was that?
screenshot, huh?
Which
What was that one?
This was yesterday.
The one
This was dead ass. That
the
was
one
a screenshot
Y raid that I
though.
jumped into, there was 400 people in it. And I
Had
don't
to-
know
They
how.
had to cap the limit.
Right.
It glitched out. There was no cap on it. 400 people in one raid.
But
Dude, that thing
the-
went down with like super fast.
The
When we had like 60, when we had those 100 people, it was so quick. It literally was like,
Oh, the G Max meow.
yeah, that was so fast.
What I've heard, if you don't want to do these raids, you go for the D-Max raids.
I mean, G-Max is good, but the luck can be bad.
Because if you don't
Yeah, it
want to
can
do
be brutal.
GMC, go for the D-Max raids. That's what I was told to do on TikTok.
Wait, is he promoting Lord Vane? Where is he? Vine. Lord Vine. Where is he?
Lord Vine, he's definitely not here.
He's not here.
Who?
Lord Vine.
Feeling lucky.
The guy that came here with his girlfriend the one.
Oh yeah.
Never
He was here the other week.
If I do, I have to.
I'm at 11 minutes. It's 12 minutes for this.
Melts a bit tomorrow. I'm hoping to come out for the Shadow Raids.
I read somewhere that if you have shiny.
Shadow Raid's already out.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
oh yeah, on the other side of the world. Right.
You just gotta find the people who are doing it.
That there's
Yeah.
Julian.
There's people on
Bet
YouTube all the
you any
time who are hosting raids, and they go to whatever people want.
Right.
And they'll go.
Once again,
Yeah, open invites. Right. Eventually, I want to get it. I gotta get it. Right now, it's just kind of like, that was so cold. That wind. Right.
I'm only feeling it on my back.
There's Julian.
Where?
You want 11 people. It's still
Is he hiding
taking a
in
long
the
time.
bushes?
He's literally standing. Yeah, he's right there. I see you.
I look like
You're probably like
a dark spot on my screen.
a dark spot on your screen.
I look like a dark spot on my screen.
What are you doing?
So
You put your glove on
recording.
your other hand and warm it up. And you can tap with the other one.
shiny. Not shiny. So is that.
Did I get a
I
shiny?
got it. I got it.
I didn't get
I'm
a
done.
shiny.
I'm done.
Shiny with a background?
I don't know.
I can't even tell.
Well, you gotta catch it.
Man, I got no shiny. I'm so sad.
I didn't get it.
Yes, I did.
I really wanted that.
I used to have 2 hundos. Of it. Ketchup.
Oh my god, this guy is flying.
Was yours a shiny or no?
No, mine isn't.
No.
I'm pretty disappointed.
I am
That's
pretty
what I
I still
needed
can't
to-
tell if mine
Yay!
are.
Yay!
Andy, you do it.
Yeah.
Oh, it got the
I got
background.
the background.
Let me see.
And he's a shiny?
Uh huh.